Welcome to the e-commerce feature in LinaOps. This is your complete online store management system, fully integrated with Shopify. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, this feature gives you everything you need to manage your store, process orders, and grow your revenue. Your complete e-commerce platform. Connect your Shopify store, manage products with AI, and sell globally, all from one unified dashboard. From here, you can connect your Shopify store to start managing your complete e-commerce business. Powered by Shopify Store. Then, note that this platform is powered by Shopify for store integration. Secured checkout. Then explore the secure checkout feature to ensure safe payment processing for customers. From here, you can enable multi-currency support to accept payments from customers worldwide. After that, explore the AI-assisted feature to automate product management tasks. How it works. Get your store up and running in 3 simple steps. After that, review the 3 simple steps to get your store running successfully. Step 1, connect your store. Link your Shopify store in seconds. We handle the integration automatically. After that, link your Shopify store in seconds with automatic integration handling. Step 2, add products. Use AI-assisted tools to create and manage your products catalog effortlessly. Next, explore AI-assisted product creation tools to manage your catalog effortlessly and efficiently. Step 3, start selling. Go live with secure checkout, multi-currency support, and real-time analytics. After that, click Start Selling to enable secure checkout and launch your store. Everything you need to sell online. Powerful features backed by Shopify infrastructure and enhanced with AI. Next up, review the key features section highlighting Shopify infrastructure and AI enhancements. Online storefront. Beautiful customizable storefronts powered by Shopify that converts visitors into customers. Next, review the online storefront feature description highlighting customizable Shopify-powered storefronts. Secure payments. Accept all major payment methods with Shopify's built-in fraud protection and PCI compliance. After that, click Secure Payments to review fraud protection and PCI compliance features. Inventory management. Track stock levels, manage variants, and automate reordering across channels. Following that, explore the inventory management feature to track and automate stock reordering. Abandoned cart recovery. Automate emails to recover lost sales and boost revenue by up to 15%. Following that, click on the Abandoned Cart Recovery feature to enable automated email recovery. Upsells and cross-sells. Increase average order value with AI-powered product recommendations. Following that, click on the Upsells and Cross-sells feature to boost order value. Sales analytics. Real-time insights into sales, customers, and product performance. From here, explore the Sales Analytics feature to monitor real-time business performance metrics. AI product creation. Generate product listings, descriptions, and SEO tags with built-in AI assistance. After that, click on AI product creation to generate product listings with built-in AI assistance. CRM integration. Sync customers' data with your CRM for unified customers relationship management. Next up, click the CRM integration card to sync your customer data seamlessly. Then, select the unified dashboard to manage orders, products, and analytics together. Why sell with LinaOps? Now, review the tagline highlighting LinaOps' core value proposition for customers. No transaction fees on LinaOps digital and physical products. Multi-currency checkout. AI-powered product creation. Abandonment cart recovery. Unlimited products. Subscription support. Built-in SEO optimization. CRM and analytics integration, and real-time sales dashboard. After that, click Real-Time Sales Dashboard to access comprehensive analytics and performance metrics. Ready to start selling? Connect your Shopify store and start selling in minutes. No setup fees, no hidden costs. Following this, click the Get Started Now button to connect your Shopify store. From here, click the Shopify Store tab to manage your connected store details. Shopify Store Connected. Your store is powered by Shopify. Manage products and process orders seamlessly. Following that, click the Shopify admin button to access your store management interface. Following that, click the Get Started tab to begin your e-commerce setup. The Get Started tab is your complete onboarding guide to understand how your Shopify-powered store works. This is perfect for new users or anyone who needs a refresher. Scene 1. Welcome banner. At the top, you'll see a welcoming banner. Headline: Welcome to your Shopify-powered store. Description: explains that your e-commerce system is fully integrated with Shopify. Now, review the welcome message explaining your fully integrated Shopify e-commerce system setup. Scene 2, How it works. 3 steps. The How it works section shows 3 numbered cards explaining the process. From here, click on Manage Inventory to track and control product stock levels. Step 1. Add products. Create products directly through Shopify admin or ask the AI assistant. All products sync automatically to your store. Checklist. Set pricing and variants, upload product images, manage inventory. Step 2. Customers shop. Customers browse your products and add items to their cart. Secure checkout through Shopify's payment system. Checklist. Secure Shopify checkout, multiple payment methods, real-time cart updates. Next up, click Real-time cart updates to explore how it keeps customers informed. Step 3. Fulfill orders. Manage orders from Shopify admin. Track shipments and handle returns. Checklist. Order notifications, shipping integration, customer communications. Following this, click the Customer Communications checkbox to enable direct customer messaging features. Scene 3, Key Features section. The Key Features card highlights 4 core capabilities. From here, explore the key features that power your e-commerce store. 1. Secure payments. Shopify handles all payment processing with PCI compliance and fraud protection. Following that, click Secure Payments to explore payment processing and fraud protection features. 2. Shopify integration. Full storefront API integration for seamless product and cart management. Then explore the Shopify integration feature for seamless product and cart management. 3. Analytics. Track sales, revenue, and customer behavior to optimize your store. From here, view the analytics feature to track sales, revenue, and customer behavior data. Afterwards, explore the Easy Management feature to handle all products and orders efficiently. Scene 4, Quick Actions. The Quick Actions section provides buttons linking directly to Shopify admin. 1. Add products in Shopify. Create new products directly in Shopify admin. Set up payments. Configure payment providers and methods. Configure shipping. Set up shipping zones and rates. The Pro Tips section provides 4 best practices. Use high-quality images. Products with professional images convert 3x better. Write detailed descriptions. Include features, benefits, and specifications. Set competitive pricing. Research your market and price competitively. 4. Enable multiple variants. Offer size, color, and other options to increase average order value. Pro tip: follow these tips to maximize your store's conversion rates. After that, enable multiple variants to offer product options and increase average order value. The Products tab is your internal product catalog. While Shopify products sync automatically, you can also manage products directly within LinaOps. Then, click the Products tab to view your Shopify product catalog and inventory. Products are displayed in a responsive grid layout. Each product card shows house, product image, arc thumbnail, or placeholder icon if no image 2, status badge, active, green, or draft, red in top right corner. Product name, the main title 4. Category badge, shows product category 5. Description, 2-line preview 6. Price, prominently displayed 7. Type label, product type indicator 8. View button, eye icon, opens detailed view 9. Edit button, pencil icon, opens edit dialog. Products synced from your Shopify store. Manage products via Shopify admin. After that, click the Analytics button to view detailed performance metrics and store insights. Following that, click the Inventory tab to view real-time stock levels and product availability. Here you can manage real-time inventory data from Shopify.